Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use the OBI independent feeding device. So here I am plugging in the power cord in the back. Now I'm going to plug in the 2 pressure switches here at the bottom of the OBI feeding device. It does not matter which switch is plugged into the OBI device. So let's turn this thing on. I'm just going to press the power button and voila. And it does a bow. Oh my gosh, that is like the cutest thing ever. So now I'm pressing the button for train mode. As you can see, I am holding the button that is on the OBI feeding device. And so basically it's like you're training the device to where your mouth is. Once done, turn the training mode off. So I have applesauce in each compartment. So the first button that I will be showing you is the rotation button. So each time you hit this button, it will go into a different compartment. So now that we have switched over to a different compartment, now I will hit the other switch control button for the OBI to scoop the food and bring it towards my mouth. So the first pressure switch that I pressed, this is to rotate in each compartment. Instead of going to the next compartment, if you want more food out of the compartment you just ate out of, you just hit the other switch with the happy face. Here I am rotating to the next compartment, and I'm going to hit the happy face button to scoop the food and bring it towards my mouth. So here I am just showing you more of how the rotation button works. So here I am just pressing it, and as you can see, it goes to each compartment. And to bring the desired food to your mouth, I'm going to hit the pressure switch that is connected to the happy face. This device is easy to clean. As you can see, to take the spoon off, it's a magnet. All you do is pull. The plate comes right out, easy to clean, but make sure that it is placed the correct way, because if you place it incorrectly, your plate will not be stable inside of the OBI feeding device. And here I am attaching the spoon back. Oops, well, I had it the wrong way. Maybe if I turn it the right way. And remember, it's magnet attachment, so it's very easy to put back on. And there you have it, the OBI feeding device. Thank you for watching this video.